Hey besties, we're back with another Besties and Efavormart collab. Fall is in full effect, and with Thanksgiving approaching, what better time to give you some dinner decor inspo than now? I started out with this easy geometric black backdrop. It's lightweight and super affordable. It's so easy to put together, and all you need is glue dots and you can stick it directly to the wall. I wanted to go with more of a edgy autumn feel because, contrary to belief, fall decor does not have to involve pumpkins. This backdrop was everything I was looking for to transform the space in no time. I decided to pick up these luxe gold candelabra centerpieces, and they are super popular right now. To elevate it, I used another rectangular centerpiece that Efavormart sells that was easy to put together as well, but you do need to follow the directions on both of these. And I was so surprised with the quality of the plant that I received. It came with 2 in the box, and I had Babe put it together. It just added another edgy element to the setup. I was actually going to spray paint it, but then in the end, I thought the greenery was a nice touch. Now, of course, we add our handy dandy neon Let's Party sign for some more vibes, and now it's time to set the table. I think my favorite part about this setup was actually these black candles. Efavormart definitely comes in handy during the holidays. It's a great way to elevate your events like weddings, baby showers, birthday parties. They have it all. As a professional event planner, I'm looking for a one-stop party shop to get everything I need. Efavormart ships within 24 hours of purchase. They are the go-to if you're looking to recreate those Pinterest-worthy parties you've been pinning all year. Now here I am loosely tying the knot of the napkins in this beautiful terracotta color. Lastly, we'll just finish up our place setting and add little details like this acrylic name card for just a little special touch. And there you have it, a beautiful, edgy autumn dinner table inspiration. If you guys are looking to elevate your decor, maybe you're having a fall wedding or bringing all your girls together for a Friendsgiving celebration, make sure you guys check out Efavormart for all your seasonal decor and event decor products. And if you go shop right now, you can use my 15% off coupon code. Just type in bashbestiescollab15 at checkout. All right, besties, I'll see you in another video. Oh, and if you guys are looking to start your event planning business, make sure to check out Party Biz Academy. The link is in the description box. Also, the links to all of the products featured in this video will be listed in the description box and the comment section. So make sure you guys click on the links and use my discount code so you guys can get 15% off your order.